53 degrees out right now. What's the date today?
The 13th?
Yeah. I just know it's Saturday, the 13th.
Yeah.
Red Sox and Astros are playing tonight, game 1, ACLS. Anyways, we're about to go for a run. I have exercise-induced asthma or exercise-induced bronchospasm. So there's a good chance my lungs are gonna tighten up if I do not take a puff of this. They're still probably gonna tighten up because they always do when I work out in cold weather. So proper use of the inhaler is to shake it up and then act like you're taking a big puff. Well, you're not acting. Gotta hold it for like, 5-10 seconds. Get the total lung capacity so that medication gets in there. It feels good. Lungs are nice and open now. Got some Burt's Bees for these big lips. Just gotta do it. Just do it.
That's right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hang on. These keys are annoying the shit out of me. I gotta put them in the car. I forgot to mention, we're recording with the GoPro 7. And it's on the stick. You can't see the stick because it's on the stick. Problem with running with these keys is that they're too big. So I'm gonna take this off like this and just bring this with me so it's not as bulky in my pants. Albuterol is a great drug. I remember when I was a kid, that's when I first discovered I had asthma. And I don't know why, but I just developed asthma. It came about in a asthma attack, really bad.
Did you have to go to the hospital?
Yeah, so this is when we were living on Prospect Street. I think I was 10 or something like that. And for whatever reason, I started having trouble breathing. I was wheezing, making that whistling noise. And I remember I just couldn't breathe. Like, I felt like I was struggling to breathe so much. I literally thought in my mind I was trying to breathe through my skin to try and get air in. That sucked. It's such a bad feeling. So I went to the hospital. I remember I would not take pills because I've always had this big fear up until like 7 years ago or something, I don't know, 10 years ago. I always had this fear of taking pills because I almost choked on a butterscotch candy once.
Oh boy.
So I was like, I'm not swallowing anything unless I chew it.
Yeah.
So anyway, the thing about that butterscotch candy, no one was around me. So I was like, holy shit, this thing is butterscotch in my throat. And if no one were around me, I could die. That shit ain't cool, man. So anyway, I went to the hospital and they were giving me pills and I absolutely refused to take the pills. I think the nurses were probably a little annoyed. And the doctor, now that I'm a doctor, I could see how it was from their perspective. They're really nice. I don't know, I think they mulched it up into like really small. I guess they could just swallow like that. Hi. So anyway, the pills are, I'm sure, steroids. Prednisone. And then yeah, but I remember before that, before I was in the hospital, before I was admitted to the hospital, I was in the ER, and I was so scared. Mom was scared. Doctor came in, gave me the nebulized treatments that did help. Nebulized albuterol, great stuff. Better than the inhaler albuterol. So anyway, after that, I could never really work out in cold weather because even with the inhaler, my lungs would always tighten up, and it really prevented me from doing much exercise in the cold weather.
Yeah.
Even when I was playing basketball for the team, I was still limited, but it definitely wasn't as bad as being outdoors. So the other thing is, I really like football. I still do. I tried playing. I could not play because it's in cold weather, but I decided to give it a shot. My final year of high school, which is what they call senior year, and yeah, that was not easy. Not only did I not know the plays or anything, and I'm not the most athletic guy, so it's not like I was a starter, but it was fun when I was playing. I loved it. But yeah, as far as practices and all that, my lungs were like killing me. I'm always taking my inhaler way more than I should be taking an inhaler. Don't take your inhaler more than you should. Doctor's advice. So you never had any problems with asthma, right?
No, not that I know of.
That's good.
Yeah.
A lot of people take for granted just their health.
Yep.
I myself included.
Like
I'm
when
guilty of it.
you were younger, or I mean, not
No, just
so
in
much
general,
now.
you know, like you want all these things in life, but sometimes you just have to realize what you really should be thankful for.
Yep.
And it's not even Thanksgiving. This is just a random day.
Exactly. So it should be every day that you're thankful. I mean, like you know, before, you know, people want nice things or nice cars, clothes, houses, etc. But honestly, lately, for me too, I've been feeling that if you have your health, that's the most important thing. Because, you know, one of the reasons I wanted to become a doctor is to help people get back to 100% for the most part, because if you're not healthy and functioning, then it's going to be harder to do other things in life. Not that it's impossible, you know?
Right.